Hello, good morning. This is Green Label. Today I'm going to answer one of the question of my follower. His name is Bright AC. His question is, why use continuous lighting and not flash? I'm going to give you a detailed comparison between continuous lighting and flash in studio photography. I'm going to share to you pros and cons. For me, I use continuous lighting, and it's because it's very easy to use. Continuous lighting provide constant light source, so making it easier to adjust the camera settings and composition. It is also less expensive. Continuous lights are often less expensive than flash units. Okay, then for the flash, the pros of using flash units is its high power output. So flash unit can produce a much higher power compared to continuous lighting. If you're into freezing motion, you shoot a ballet and sports, maybe you can use flash because it can freeze motion. It allows you to have sharper images and reducing the risk of motion blur. But the cons of this is more complex to work with. Flash units requires more technical, and another one is very expensive. I hope I'm answering your question, but it's up to you what type of photography you are in. Thank you so much for watching.